So hi guys, happy new year. This is the Style Takeover. My name is Karan Singh and we are starting a new journey with the new year. So let's get started with the first video of our fashion styling series. So let's get started. So in this series, this is the first episode, so we are starting with the basics. हम बिल्कुल बेसिक्स से शुरू करेंगे क्योंकि there are a lot of misconceptions about fashion and I am going to break them all and I am going to make you clear that you don't need a lot of expensive clothes and a lot of clothes to look stylish. आपको एक स्टाइलिश वार्डरोब बनाने के लिए बहुत कुछ बाय करना ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट देर आर सर्टन फ्यू थिंग्स विच यू हैव टू बाय इनिशियली, जो आपको पहले बाय करने हैं. There are just 5 pair of shoes you need to have in your wardrobe and your wardrobe of shoes is complete. I have a lot of shoes but you just need 5. So what are those 5 shoes? In my opinion, you just need one pair of shoes, which is the white sneaker. No design, no logos, nothing at all, just a clean white sneaker and it will go with all of your outfits. This is the most versatile option you can own and this should be the first pair to buy. Moving on, अगर आपके पास एक white sneaker है, then you can create a lot of outfits. And after white sneakers, you should invest on something formal, which is, in my opinion, invest in a good quality black loafer. So this is more kind of fringes and all. So I like these kind of styles when it comes to black loafers. I don't like a lot of plain and very boring styles. This is something which is stylish. So you can also buy a basic black pair of loafers. So something like this is worth for money and it's also very versatile. It can go with a lot of formal, semi-formal outfits, which I will tell in the further videos. So after a black pair of loafers, you need something brown and something more classy. So this is the shoes which you need to buy. A brogue, a pair of brown brogue. So brown brogues are also very versatile. Also they are very semi-formal, very formal, classy kind of shoes and these are from Red Tape. मैं description में इन सब का link आपको provide कर सकता हूँ. You can buy all of these from the description. These are the shoes which will get you covered throughout the summers and more like pre-winters, after winters kind of seasons. But when it comes to crazy winters and when it comes to winters or fall, so you need a good pair of boots. So for the boots, you need a black combat boot. There is a reason that I am recommending a combat boot over a black Chelsea boot. I guess with black outfits you look more rugged and more classy, you look more bad boy. So for that, combat boots are great. Chelsea boots also you need, but that is the next one. So for the final pair, you need a brown suede Chelsea boot. Yeah, Chelsea boots look good in suede. Mostly they look good in suede. So you can have a good suede Chelsea boots like this. This is a brown one and it can go with a lot of outfits. So these were the 5 pair of shoes, just the 5 pair of shoes you need. They can go with a lot of outfits and they can get me through any situation, any occasion. So that's it for the shoes. Moving up to the pants. As far as the pants are concerned, आपको सिर्फ 4 या 5 pants चाहिए. So starting with the jeans, you just need 3 jeans in my opinion, which are number 1, the black jeans. You just need one pair of black jeans, जो कि fade, no fade, it's up to you, but make sure it doesn't have any distortion क्योंकि that can't be your basics. So make sure it's plain without any distortion. Fade, no fade, it's up to you, but make sure it's not too faded. So a black jeans is a must have. Then you need a dark wash blue jeans. Fade, no fade, it's up to you, but a dark blue jeans is a must have and you need in your wardrobe. After that, a basic blue light wash denim, and this is also a very essential one and you need to have it in your closet. So these 3 jeans will cover all of your needs. 3 jeans and that's it. You don't need anything else in terms of jeans as a basic start. So you can add gray, different washes, different colors of blue. You can add distressed ones after you buy these 3. So these 3 are the basic. Make sure you have them. So the next one, you need to have some chinos. It's also a good option for casual pants. So chinos mein you can have colors, maybe beige, blue. These are the 2 basics you need to have. Beige chinos or blue chinos बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं and they are very versatile. Moving up, you need to have 2 or 3 pair of trousers. Black or grey is the best option. Black पहले और grey बाद में. You need to have just 2 trousers जो कि formal होंगी और वो हर चीज़ के साथ जाएंगी, आपके हर formal occasion को वो पूरा करती हैं. Grey and black trousers, you need to have that. Okay, so now moving upwards. Let's start with t-shirts. So t-shirts में आपको सिर्फ basically 3 या 4 t-shirts चाहिए, और when it comes to colors it's more important to focus on basic colors when you are buying t-shirts. So t-shirts में you need to have just one clean white t-shirt, one black t-shirt, a polo t-shirt, a Henley t-shirt. Colors can be very neutral, black, grey, white. So I can show you. Just need a white t-shirt which is a basic white t-shirt. It should be good quality. Don't buy cheap white t-shirt, buy a good quality white t-shirt. You need to repeat it, and it's a very versatile option, so you can wear it with a lot of outfits. So white t-shirt is a must have. After that you need a black t-shirt also. You need a half sleeves well fitted black t-shirt. Then you can go for polos, Henley t-shirts, which we will discuss in the further when I make a video for t-shirts only. Invest in the basic colors first. That is the key rule. Then when it comes to shirts, you need to have a white shirt, a black shirt, a denim shirt, and a good check shirt. These 4 shirts are good enough to go for the basics. So make sure the fit, quality and fabric is good. So that is the main things to keep in mind when you are buying a shirt. You can add hoodies, sweatshirts, sweaters to your collection. To start with, a basic V-neck sweater is good, or a round neck sweater is also good. Hoodies you can go for black, white, grey, basic colors. So basic colors की hoodies आपको बहुत ज़्यादा easy रहती हैं स्टाइल करने में different outfits के साथ. So when it comes to jackets, you just need 3 or 4 jackets. So first jacket is the denim jacket. You need to have a basic blue denim jacket in your wardrobe because it's very versatile and very stylish. And then you can invest on a black leather jacket like this one. This is a biker leather jacket, and this is one of the most stylish jackets you can own. So after that you can invest in a bomber jacket and a puffer jacket. Go for the basic colors first, and then you can add multiple colors in your wardrobe. So that's it, boys. This is the wardrobe you need. This is the collection you need to start to create a stylish wardrobe. So I hope that was not a lot, but it's good to go, and इससे आप बहुत सारे outfits create कर सकते हो just with these good clothes. So if you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Also let me know कि आपको कौन से topic मेरी next video चाहिए. I will make a video on that topic in the next week. So that's it from my side. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Karan Singh. This is a Style Takeover. See ya.